RegenerateOmatic is suitable for warming up pre-cooked dishes or leftovers easily and without any loss of quality. The function detects the amount and shape and then automatically makes the correct settings. You can choose from two functions. The first function is RegenerateOmatic Humid. Select this option for dishes that are not supposed to dry out. Simply start the program. The sensors calculate the perfect regeneration time, temperature, and humidity for your dishes. Whether you're reheating individual foodstuffs or a complete meal with side dishes, the textures always remain perfect. And you can enjoy a delicious meal even on busy days. The second option is RegenerateOmatic Crispy. This function is perfect for reheating a piece of pizza or quiche, or for crisping up old bread. In just a few minutes, it tastes and smells as fresh as it did on the day it was baked. It's so easy to reheat or freshen up meals. And the intelligent RegenerateOmatic function does it all by itself with no loss of quality.